we heard just this morning in this short time, cheminformatics tools are used for really wide array of applications. And in your workflows, you might want to efficiently access your own data, company data, but also external data sources, either proprietary or public sources. And one very commonly needed piece of information is this compound available internally? Can it be purchased? And I'm here to help you answer the later question. How many of you, please raise your hand if you have or your colleague has downloaded the vendor catalogs to be downloaded into your internal system. Quite a few hands. How many of you download or purchase databases of aggregated catalogs? Great. I mean, this is a nice audience for me. So we're here to help you. How does this work? Where do I need to point? So this is what we do on a daily basis. We actually have people that do this every single day. We aggregate supplier catalogs in one big searchable database. This database runs from day one on ChemAxon tools. So we have over 6 million commercially available compounds, and the information we have is, of course, structures and names and synonyms, but also we have, for most of the compounds, we have actual warehouse inventory data. We have prices for all the packagings. We have now also QC methods that suppliers used to analyze. So if you need compounds that have both NMR and HPLC, you can do a selection that matches that. We also have compound state in the database. And this information is updated daily for most of the compounds. And of course, on top of that, we also track supplier fulfillment statistics to see where is a more reliable sourced order. And why I'm here today, we have all this data, and it's available, of course, on the web, as many of you actually know. You can download it from FTP. We have monthly updates of data. We have the complete set. We also have incremental changes, new compounds, what has been actually removed, sold out. You can download MolPort IDs and current compound availability, how much is available. And we also have this year API. You can access this information through API. We recently developed 9 nodes. You can structure search with smiles or also smart queries. Pipeline pilot, you can get actually compound availability data exactly in Excel. Just have one column with smiles and you'll get in the next one, is it available today and what's the quantity. And also you can of course access that in your application via API. And that's why I'm here. We are seeking partners. If you need this data, if that would enhance your application, we want to work with you. And we work with these technologies. And our chemistry intelligence comes, of course, from ChemAxon. We use Marvin JavaScript on the website, and the database runs on JChemBase. And one missing information is we use standardizer, of course. Just a standard, really, solution. That's all. Thank you.